In this video, I will show you how to log into your Metamask account on a different device. Open your web browser like Chrome, go to metamask.io and download the Metamask extension for Chrome. You can see that I have already did that. On mobile device, open the App Store on iOS or Play Store on Android and download the Metamask app. After installing Metamask, open the extension or app. On the welcome screen, you will be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Tap or click Import an existing wallet. Click I agree to continue with the import process. Select the correct number of words in your recovery phrase. Most wallets use 12 words, but 24-word phrases are also possible. Type in the exact recovery phrase from your original MetaMask account. Click Confirm Secret Recovery Phrase. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet will be successfully restored on the new device. You now have access to all your assets and settings. And that's how you log into your MetaMask account on another device. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.